Covering up.
What's this game?
Some of them are cheap.
Right there?
Yeah, she's got a little bit.
She's always had that. She has another one on her side too. Wee.
Chloe, look at this, Chloe. Chloe! Hi! Oh gosh! Hi, Chloe. Oh gosh. Chloe. What are you doing? She's pooped. Chloe, come play.
Oh, she does have their umbilical cord.
Yeah, it's right there. That's what we thought she was a boy first.
Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah, we thought she was a boy first, and then we saw these other.
Oh, you're so weird.
Chloe, come here.